Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how I get my hair silky straight, what I wash it with, what I straighten it with, and what else I put into my hair. I have been getting a lot of questions and comments on how I get my long, silky, frizzyless hair done. So it does take about a minute because I do have a lot of hair and my hair is really thick and coarse. You'll see by the beginning of this video, and I had to do a talk through just because my baby was awake, making noise, and you know, Manny's babbling a lot right now, so I did end up doing a talk through. So I hope you guys like my tutorial on how I get this silky straight hair look, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
So I've been using this new shampoo, well, new to me. It's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth with Marula oil. It has 5 benefits, and it's the anti-frizz, detangles, shines, softens, and tames flyaways. So I've been using the shampoo and conditioner, and guys, I'm telling you, 6 weeks, I noticed such a big difference. I've been using it for over a year now. I have not switched any shampoos, but it is amazing. So after that, I went ahead and used the heat taming spray. I let my hair air dry, and I do add it all over the place. Then go ahead and brush out my hair. As you can see, it's very frizzy. I do go in later with some oil, but only after I straighten out all my hair. So I like to start out by parting my hair at the bottom, and I'll go ahead and take about 1-inch pieces, and I use this Bellami wand I got last year for my birthday. I actually got the system, the 13-in-1 curling wand. I'm not sure what it is, but it's the big one where it has so many tools on it. I'll go ahead and link everything down below, but my straightening game changed with this straightener, and I absolutely love it. And you guys, my hair is very cray. So look how beautiful it is. And I like to go ahead and just brush it out when I'm straightening it, because it actually helps and gets it so thin, and it gets every single little hair strand straight. So I'm basically gonna skip all the rest because this is just repetitive. And here I am with a very long silky straight weave. Just kidding, it's my hair. And I go ahead and use this Garnier Fructis Moroccan oil. It is so good. I put about that much in my hand, and I rub it all on my hair except for my roots. And I just keep on getting it in there all the way in until I have nothing left in my fingers, and then I just go ahead and put the top on top to kind of tame some of my little baby hairs. But that's about it, you guys. That's all I really use. I've always gotten so many questions on what I use, how I keep my hair so silky straight, so I just wanted to make a quick tutorial for you guys and show you exactly what I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications.